Once again, I will demonstrate that again, just how quick this can be done, and get this all up and going again. So fast I can desolder this at. A little bit of tin on there, and as you can see, that's quite well done there, well put together, very quick. There we go, that's one. I'm getting quicker as I go. And there it is once again. I will just clean these up. Very quick. Again, and then here. And there you go, nice and clean. Easy to solder out, take the solder and deflux for them. I will do this one here this time. Clean this one up. There you go. And this one here, very simple, very fast. Oh. And there you go, very clean, very fast. Clean the tip, give it a wipes, 1, 2, and all done. Just as simple as that.